Hey guys, are you like me who always wanted to grow vegetables and herbs by yourself, but your space in apartment is limited? If so, owning this hydroponic germination kit would solve your problem. Today, we will talk about top 5 indoor gardening kits based on our research, opinion, and customer reviews when narrowing down the products. Now you can call yourself a farmer after owning and growing plants with this kit easily. Meanwhile, if this is first time you are visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for more such interesting videos. Our first pick is AeroGarden Black Harvest Indoor Hydroponic Garden. With this indoor home garden system, you can grow fresh herbs and veggies all year round. Always fresh, always local, always in season. You can grow plants up to 12 inches tall. Grows in water, no soil, no mess with simple maintenance. It automatically turns lights on and off for your hydroponics growing system and provides you a reminder of when to add water and plant food. Coming to its advantages, it is easy to set up and use, great starter kit for beginners, and has very large customer purchase. One drawback with it is limited to grow 6 plants at a time, but it is not really bad if you're a beginner. Our next pick is Aspara Nature Smart Growing System. This hydroponic grower accelerates natural plant growth by creating and monitoring optimal growing conditions for plants. Watch as Aspara grows your produce up to 5 times faster than traditional methods. Unique 86 LED light design delivers the optimum blend of light spectrum and intensity for plants to flourish. Several advantages with this kit is, it has 16 plant capacity, smartphone app integration, and 10 built-in smart sensors for all monitoring. One drawback is, it costs almost $200. It can be expensive if you are a beginner. Overall, its pros overshadows the price. Next item in our lineup is Click and Grow Smart Garden Kit. It grows fresh herbs and vegetables indoors with energy-efficient LED grow lights, which ensure your plants thrive no matter the weather. Just drop in the included plant pots, fill the water reservoir, and plug the self-watering planter in your herb garden starter kit is good to go. It has several pros like costs less than $100, very high customer purchase, and is quite easy to set up. One drawback with this kit is, pods can get moldy sometimes if not maintained well. Our next pick is GrowLED. This indoor grow garden germination kit provides with smart soil, integrated with nutrients. No need to buy extra liquid plant food for the soil. Nutrients inside the smart soil can last at least 3 months. It has automatic smart timer. This mode makes sure plants absorb enough light to do photosynthesis and enough time to rest. It has self-watering system, so you need not worry about forgetting to water plant. Its pros are automatic smart timer to turn off after photosynthesis. Good starter kit for introducing hydroponics, and one disadvantage with this kit is slightly expensive, above $100. Our next pick is iDoo in-home garden with a hydroponic system. Is designed with a water circulation system. Plants growing faster than soil. You have total control over the weather all year round without any limitation. The 23-watt LED lights of hydroponics growing system simulate the sunlight spectrum, promoting plants' photosynthesis in any weather. The indoor gardening with plants can be placed in the kitchen, bedroom, or office. Have a deep sleep even with the garden kit in your bedroom. Pros of this kit are, it has view window to monitor water level, can hold up to 12 plants, easy to set up and use, and costs less than $100. One main problem many customers provide is it has smaller power cord and has no reminders for water and plant food.